Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making some jackfruit chicken tacos. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is 2 cans, mine are 10-ounce cans of jackfruit, which I've drained and rinsed. We're also going to need a teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, oregano, and then I'm using a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. You can use less if you're a little bit more spice sensitive. These will all be in the description below. We're also going to need a cup of water for this. Now my trick to getting perfectly shredded jackfruit easily is using my Auto IQ Ninja blender with my dough attachment. So to get started, I'm going to bring you guys on in here and we're going to get the jackfruit shredded. Alright, all we're going to really need to do is take our jackfruit, get it in here, and then we are going to just go on low until it looks like it's all nice and shredded, and then we'll be able to use it and get it into the Instant Pot. Alright, 10 seconds later, and we have perfectly shredded jackfruit. Now we're going to get the Instant Pot started up, and I will see you guys when I bring it over here. Alright, we've got our Instant Pot out, we've got our jackfruit, which has been shredded perfectly, our dry spice mix, and then our cup of water. Now all we're going to do is take our jackfruit, get it in there with the cup of water, and then our spice mix. Now you can go ahead and give it a good stir. I always like to. All right. Now we're just gonna get the lid on and set it for 10 minutes. All right, we'll be back when that's done. All right, I just got done quick releasing the Instant Pot and it smells fantastic in here. Look at that. Great color on it. And now that is ready to be made into some tacos. I'm gonna get things cleaned up in the kitchen a little bit. I'm gonna get this prepped and then we'll see you in a second. All right guys, I'm back. The kitchen is tidied up and now I am going to make myself a nice vegan chicken jackfruit taco. Now I've got a corn tortilla here. These are our favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little jackfruit on there. And then some spicy jalapeno lime guacamole, which you know you can get the recipe from me for. And then we also have a little brown rice, which I recently did the video for how I like to do my rice. So that is looking fantastic. This is a go-to meal that me and Erica enjoy at least once or twice a week. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Fantastic. Such a beautiful, deep flavor that you get with that jackfruit. You mix in some guacamole, even some hot sauce on here. This is gonna be a great dinner that I hope you guys really enjoy. Well, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, hoping I see you guys very soon. I'm here with my vegan chicken jackfruit taco, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.